Ever wake up with that sinking feeling in your stomach, already dreading the day ahead? Anxiety can sneak in before you even get out of bed, turning what should be a fresh start into a daunting challenge. But what if there was a way to anxiety-proof your day? Imagine going through your routine feeling calm, focused, and in control. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to manage anxiety throughout your day, so you can face whatever comes your way with confidence and peace of mind. 1. Start your day with mindful mornings. The way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. If your mornings are rushed and stressful, that anxiety is likely to follow you throughout the day. Instead, try creating a morning routine that promotes calm and focus. Wake up gently. Rather than jolting awake to a loud alarm, consider using a gentle wake-up light or a calming sound. This helps ease you into the day rather than starting with a spike in stress. Mindful breathing. Before you even get out of bed, take a few moments to focus on your breathing. Try inhaling slowly for 4 counts, holding for 4, and exhaling for 4. This simple practice can help calm your nervous system and set a peaceful tone for the day. Morning stretching or yoga. Incorporating some light stretching or yoga into your morning routine can help release tension and prepare your body and mind for the day ahead. Even just 10 minutes can make a big difference. 2. Plan your day. Prioritize and simplify. One of the biggest triggers for anxiety is feeling overwhelmed by everything you have to do. That's why planning your day with intention is so important. Start by making a list of everything you need to accomplish, then prioritize your tasks. Use the 3-task rule. Instead of trying to tackle everything at once, choose 3 main tasks to focus on for the day. These should be your top priorities, the things that will give you the most sense of accomplishment once completed. Anything else you get done is a bonus. Time blocking. Allocate specific time blocks for each of your tasks. This not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures that you have dedicated time to work on each task without feeling rushed. Include breaks. Don't forget to schedule breaks. Taking regular breaks can help you recharge and reduce feelings of overwhelm. Even a 5-minute walk or a short breathing exercise can help you reset. 3. Mindful eating. Nourish your body and mind. What you eat can have a significant impact on your anxiety levels. Certain foods can either fuel anxiety or help to calm it. Start by being mindful of what you're putting into your body. Balanced breakfast. Begin your day with a balanced breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This combination helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, which can prevent mood swings and anxiety spikes. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can exacerbate anxiety, so make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Keep a water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated. Mindful eating practice. When it's time to eat, try practicing mindful eating. Focus on the taste, texture, and smell of your food. Eating slowly and savoring each bite can help you stay present and reduce stress. 4. Move your body. Physical activity for mental clarity. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to reduce anxiety. Physical activity helps to release endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, and can also help to clear your mind. Find what you enjoy, whether it's walking, running, dancing, or practicing yoga. Find a form of exercise that you enjoy. You're more likely to stick with it if it's something you look forward to. Make it a habit. Try to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Even just 20 to 30 minutes of exercise can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. Outdoor exercise. If possible, take your workout outside. Spending time in nature while you exercise can provide an extra boost to your mood and help to further reduce anxiety. 5. Manage stressors. Identify and address triggers. We all have specific stressors that can trigger anxiety. The key is to identify these triggers and address them before they spiral out of control. Keep a journal. Try keeping a journal to track when and why your anxiety flares up. This can help you identify patterns and pinpoint specific triggers. Problem solving. Once you've identified your triggers, work on strategies to manage or eliminate them. This might involve setting boundaries, delegating tasks, or simply changing the way you respond to certain situations. Mindfulness breaks. If you feel your anxiety rising during the day, take a moment to step back and breathe. Practicing mindfulness, even for a minute or two, can help you reset and regain control. 6. Cultivate a calm workspace. Your environment plays a huge role in how you feel. A cluttered, chaotic workspace can contribute to anxiety, while a calm, organized space can help you feel more focused and at ease. Declutter. Start by decluttering your workspace. Remove anything that isn't essential or that causes distraction. A clean, organized space can help you feel more in control and reduce feelings of overwhelm. Incorporate nature. Bringing a little bit of nature into your workspace can have a calming effect. Try adding a plant or a small fountain to your desk. Natural elements can help reduce stress and improve your mood. Personalize your space. Make your workspace a place you enjoy being. Whether it's adding photos, artwork, or a favorite quote, personalizing your space can make it feel more comfortable and less stressful. 7. Practice gratitude. Shift your focus. Gratitude is a powerful tool for reducing anxiety. When you focus on what you're thankful for, it shifts your attention away from worries and negative thoughts. Gratitude journal. Start or end your day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be big or small. What matters is the act of focusing on the positive. Verbal gratitude. Don't just keep it to yourself. Expressing gratitude to others can strengthen your relationships and boost your mood. Whether it's thanking a colleague for their help or telling a friend how much they mean to you, sharing gratitude can have a ripple effect on your overall well-being. Mindful moments. Throughout the day, take a few moments to pause and reflect on what's going well. This simple practice can help you stay grounded and maintain a positive outlook. 8. Wind down your day. Evening routine for relaxation. Just as your morning routine sets the tone for the day, your evening routine helps to ease you into a restful night's sleep. A calm, relaxing evening routine can reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. Limit screen time. Try to avoid screens, especially your phone, at least an hour before bed. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your sleep, and scrolling through social media can increase anxiety. Evening reflection. Spend a few minutes reflecting on your day. What went well? What could have gone better? This practice can help you process the day's events and clear your mind before bed. Relaxing activities. Incorporate relaxing activities into your evening routine, such as reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle yoga. These activities signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. 9. Prepare for tomorrow. Set yourself up for success. A little preparation can go a long way in reducing morning anxiety. By taking a few simple steps the night before, you can set yourself up for a calmer, more organized day. Plan your outfit. Decide what you're going to wear the next day. This eliminates one decision you'll have to make in the morning and it can save you time and stress. Pack your bag. Whether it's your work bag, gym bag, or even just making sure your keys and wallet are in the right place, having everything ready to go can prevent morning chaos. Set your intentions. Before bed, take a moment to think about your goals for the next day. Setting a positive intention can help you wake up with a sense of purpose and direction. 10. Final thoughts. Consistency is key. Anxiety-proofing your day isn't about making drastic changes all at once. It's about building small, consistent habits that promote calm and reduce stress. By incorporating these steps into your daily routine, you can create a life that feels more manageable and less overwhelming. Remember, it's okay to have days where things don't go perfectly. The goal is progress, not perfection. With time and practice, these strategies can help you build resilience and reduce anxiety one day at a time.